Assalamualaikum my friends, how are you? Welcome to my Bio with Danish channel. So in this video my topic about human cloning. So in this video I will discuss about human cloning. So first of all you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So now I am go to my human cloning channel. Human cloning is the creation of genetically identical copy of human. The term is generally used to refer to artificial human cloning, which is the reproduction of human cells and tissue. It does not refer to the natural conception and delivery of identical twins. The possibilities of human cloning have raised controversies. These ethical concerns have prompted several nations to pass laws regarding human cloning. Two commonly discussed types of human cloning are therapeutic cloning and reproductive cloning. Therapeutic cloning would involve cloning cells for human for use in the medicine and transplants. It is an active area of research and is in medical practice in the world. Two common methods of therapeutic cloning that are being researched are somatic cell nuclear transfer and pluripotent stem cell induction. Reproductive cloning would involve making a central cloned human instead of just specific cells or tissues. So I will define the history of human cloning. Although the possibility of cloning humans had been the subject of speculation for much of the 20th century, scientists and policy makers began to take the prospect seriously in 1969. J.B.S. Harden was the first to introduce the idea of human cloning, for which is used to terms clone and cloning, which had been used in agriculture since the early 20th century. In the speech on biological possibilities for the human species of the next 10,000 years at the SIPA Foundation Symposium on Man and His Future is 1963, he said, "It is extremely hopeful that some human cell lines can be grown on the medium of precisely known chemical composition. Perhaps the first step will be the production of a clone from the single fertilized egg. As in Brave New World, assuming that cloning is possible, I expect that most clones would be made from people aged at least 50, except for athletes and dancers who would be cloned younger. They would be made from people who were held to have excelled in the socially acceptable accomplishment." Nobel Prize winning genetics Joshua Lederberg advocated cloning and genetic engineering in the article in the American Naturalist in 1956, and again the following year the Washington Post. He sparked a debate with conservative bioethics Leon Cass, who wrote on the time that the program reproduction of man will in fact dehumanize him. Another Nobel laureate, James D. Watson, publicized the potential and the perils of cloning in the Atlantic Monthly essay, "Moving Toward the Clonal Man" in 1971, with the cloning of a sheep known as Dolly in 1996 by somatic cell nuclear transfer. The idea of human cloning became a hot debate topic. Many nations outlawed it, while a few scientists promised to make a clone within the next few years. The first hybrid human clone was created in November 1998 by advanced cell technology. It was created using SCNT. A nucleus was taken from a man's leg cells and inserted into a cross egg from which the nucleus had been removed. And a hybrid cell was cultured and developed into an embryo. Embryo was destroyed after 12 days. In 2004 and 2005, Hwang Woo-seok, a professor at Seoul National University, published two separate articles in the journal Science claiming to have successfully harvested plummet from a cloned human. Biometric was using SCNT techniques. So friends, so in my topic about cloning, human cloning. So if you are like this topic, so subscribe and press the icon. So now I am go to my another video. Allah Hafiz.